So if you're a managed service provider managing DNS and network infrastructure for multiple clients, you know the problem. Different providers, different portals, no shared history, and no single view across any of it. Let me show you how ResourceIT handles multi-client environments. Each client gets their own network space, a completely isolated environment with its own domains, DNS providers, subnets, and audit log. Switch between clients in seconds. There is also a feature called Space Groups that lets you link related spaces and share DNS provider credentials across them in the case where you control all DNS changes. When clients make changes directly, the audit log shows exactly what changed so you can catch and resolve issues fast. Each space has its own dashboard, its own health check schedule, and its own renewal tracking information. When something needs attention, it surfaces in that client's space, not buried in a shared view across all your clients. If you want every client's DNS and IP address information fully separated, fully trackable and manageable from a single tool, check out ResourceIT.com.